Hey guys, Joshua Peterson here at Peterson Electric. I want to show you on that toner for the second video for this 70s home with the dumb lighting box on the ceiling behind drywall. And by the way, we will never, ever in a million years put a drywall, a box behind drywall. They do have some connectors that can extend a wire. It depends on the load and ampacity. I only feel comfortable with the light fixture, not a whole circuit like this. Typically you just have to live with a junction box or somehow hide that behind a smoke detector or whatever, but that's where we're going to see it in the 70s, is in the ceiling. Anyways, this toner is going to hook up. You do have to kill power, okay? So I'm not killing power of the whole circuit. I'm just killing the switch leg right here and bringing it up. I already know where my switch and my neutral is. Make sure you're wearing gloves like I tell people. I should put that one on. So as you get your gloves on, I do not suggest garden gloves at your big box store. Again, this video is only for professionals when you're messing with aluminum and you're toning things out. This is for my other electricians. If you're a homeowner, please don't call me on a Sunday asking me questions on how to do this. I will hang up on you. The bottom line is you want to connect your guys neutral and hot, or switch leg I should say, because again I have a black, red, and a white. And this is going to tone it. So you pick your tone. There's different tones. There might be other meters out there better, guys, than this Fluke right here. It's a Pro 3000. It's about 10 years old, so if you guys know of anything better, please let me know. I always like new meters. Kind of a little bit of static going on. It's going to pick up some of the hot around here, okay? Because I can't turn off the whole house, customer's home. I know this wall was moved. I'm going to change tone. Grab that video. I'm going to try turning it down. Just a little while ago I had a better tone on that. Let's try something different. Sometimes I feel like it has a mind of its own. Okay, so as you can see, I've picked up copper in here, and that's what tricked me on my first hole. But really, it didn't trick me because the wire goes like this, and it drilled in through a little hole right here, and I barely looking down, I could barely see it, but it actually split off, and I knew it was copper because I already drilled these. Okay, copper, so I knew there had been aluminum somewhere, and as I kept tracing, it got really loud right there. So I drilled one hole, saw the box, drilled the other hole, found the box. Very similar to how if you're doing a new basement or a house and the drywall covers up and you're like, wow, I had an outlet there, what the heck, or a switch. And you put a level on it and you're like, oh, it's rocking. That's how you know it's poking through the drywall, and you just stab it with a swivel and you feel around and you feel those wires. Similar to doing that, you could poke little holes, but you got to tone it first. I'm getting at 5 minutes on this video again, but here guys, so again, just a good way to tone. This thing changes different tones. Sometimes it does well, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes you got to kill power in the panel for all the other circuits. Sometimes you're just disconnecting. Sometimes if it's just because I accidentally hit these switches over here, maybe that can change tone because these switch loop up to another box that I'm about to do. Again, I'll come into this one, this switch loop. And I'm going to tone these two out, or these three. Sometimes the ground's better. Sometimes the ground is real dirty and you can't because it connects to too many grounds and other circuits. The neutral hot should be dedicated kind of this way. I do know that my arc faults have already set, so I know that that neutral is not tied with other neutrals. That's throwing me off with the light bulb. There's a lot of things that you have to just slowly, it's kind of it's a cut and play. You try to figure it out as you go. But yeah, I only got 5 holes on that one. It was really good with this toner. We'll try this on the next one, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.